General Principles of Isolation and Processing of Elements, Part 1. The steps involved in the extraction of metals are concentration of the ore, isolation of the metal from the concentrated ore, and purification of the metal. The first step is concentration of the ore. Concentrating an ore means getting rid of all the unwanted materials from the ore, which are also referred as gangue. Now, the methods used for concentration of the ore. First one is hydraulic washing. Second, magnetic separation. Third, froth flotation. And last, leaching. Hydraulic washing. This method is based on the difference in the gravities of ore and the gangue particles. In this method, the powdered ore is washed in a stream of running water. The gangue particles, being lighter, are washed away, whereas the heavier ore particles are left behind. Magnetic separation is based on the difference in magnetic properties of ore and the gangue particles. This method is mainly employed for the separation of iron ore. In this method, the powdered ore is fed over a conveyor belt which runs over a magnetic roller. The difference in magnetic properties between the iron ore and the gangue particles result in their separation. Froth flotation method is based on the difference in wetting properties of ore and the gangue particles. The ore particles become wet by the oil, whereas the gangue particles become wet by the water. In this method, the powdered ore is mixed with pine oil and water. Now, when a stream of air is passed through this solution, froth is formed. The froth carries the ore particles, leaving behind the gangue particle. This froth is later dried and skimmed off, whereby we can get the ore. Leaching is mainly done for the purification of bauxite ore. Bauxite is the ore of aluminium. This method is based on the principle that the ore particles are soluble in a suitable solvent, whereas the gangue particles are not. In this process, the powdered aluminium ore is mixed with sodium hydroxide, resulting in the formation of sodium aluminate. The filtrate is then separated and a series of chemical reactions are performed, resulting in the formation of pure alumina. The gangue particles are thus separated.